And breaking news coming in, this is the first BJP reaction on Mohan Bhagwat's message to the central government. Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has said that the government will take care of everyone's interest. That is the pitch coming in from the Union Law Minister of the Modi government 3.0. Let's listen in.
आज मोहन भागवत जी ने कहा कि मणिपुर में 1 साल से अशांति है, वहाँ शांति व्यवस्था बरकरार रहनी चाहिए। कैसे देखते हैं आप सर इसको?
मैंने अभी कहा ना, सरकार बनी है और सरकार मजबूत है और अच्छा सरकार काम करेगी। गुड गवर्नेंस और डेवलपमेंट हमारा एजेंडा है।
And I'm joined by my colleague Yasha on the broadcast. So Yasha, this has been a constant attack coming in from the opposition camp when it comes to the situation in Manipur. But this has really jolted the BJP top brass, given the fact that this attack, if you will, has come in from the RSS chief when it comes to the situation in Manipur, something that the BJP has faced a lot of flack for the past 1 year.
Absolutely. In fact, when you speak of the opposition, it is BJP which has faced several flack, which is where you see now this very statement has come in. It's the first BJP reaction. But amidst all of these questions were, of course, being raised by the opposition about why the statement on Manipur had come in so late. The fact that it took almost a year for BJP, for RSS to take cognizance of this, and also the questions are being raised about whether this could in fact be the agenda for the BJP government, particularly now with the coalition partners being in place. So all of these are something that is being discussed about, that's something being spoken about, and which is where we now see that the first BJP reaction has come in on this very story. But of course, when you speak of the opposition, they have though accepted and appreciated that finally something like this has been spoken about by Mohan Bhagwat, because it is the ideology of RSS that we of course see BJP following. But amidst all of this, there was this buzz about why something like this was being spoken about almost a year later. Of course, we see that the new government is being formed. There were questions and criticism being raised about the attack at Kashmir, and when a coalition government like this is formed, where we of course see that. Of course, it's a message that comes in from Mohan Bhagwat, wherein it's trying to portray further that they will have that BJP will now have to change its stance for the upcoming various state elections that are there, and particularly also the timing of it with the fact that the BJP's performance, the NDA's performance in this very election was not up to the mark. All of these are some questions that are being raised while we see that Mohan Bhagwat had made this very statement. Yes.
Right, Yasha, please stay with us now. Let's listen into the reactions coming in from the opposition camp.